Okay, here's what I would say about that. Rhetoric does matter, and I think it especially matters in the case of Donald Trump, and let me tell you why. Because Trump doesn't have a record, right? This is uncontestable. He doesn't have a foreign policy record. He's never been in charge of making foreign policy. So as far as Trump is concerned, most of what we have to go on is his rhetoric. And so in that regard, it's extremely important. The only other piece of evidence that we might have to go on with Trump really is his foreign policy team. Notably, Trump was very late in announcing who would be on his team. When he did announce a team of 5, it was widely noted within the foreign policy community that none of these individuals were established within, among foreign policy makers in Washington. And of course, that's something that Trump takes pride in, of course, as an outsider. So I think his rhetoric there is extremely important because we don't have a lot else to go on. With Secretary Clinton, we have much more of a record to go on, right? And she's someone who has established relationships with leaders throughout the world. And she's visited so many, hundreds of, over 100 countries throughout the world. And so she's much more of a known quantity. So while her rhetoric is important, in Clinton's case, I think, frankly, her record speaks for itself.